So we're going to be continuing with this color application. We're going to highlight A5 through E5. And we're going to be doing a background color. Now you may think, well, why can't we just click on the fill list arrow and use that? You could, okay? But the text wants you to know all the different ways of doing fill. So we're going to go into format and format cells. And we're just going to kind of follow their procedures, just so you know more than one method. So what they want is this lovely light green. And so we're going to go ahead and click OK. And you'll notice that it filled in that row. Now we want to apply this to several rows. And you'll notice that we've got some borders on the left and on the right. We don't want to lose the borders. And then we've got, number formatting here as well. So we're going to keep that whole section highlighted. And when we use the format painter, it is going to keep our borders and it's going to keep our number formatting and alignment. So we want this whole thing highlighted. We're going to double click on the format painter. And then we're going to go over A7 through E7. And if you double click the format painter, it should stay on. And we're going to go through A9 through E9 and A11 through E11. Okay, and you'll notice as we do the format painter, it did keep our borders, our alignment, and our number formatting. Okay, so it took the format from each one of these cells and applied it. Now what we're going to do, because we're done, is we're going to turn the format painter off. So we're just going to left click and turn that off. Okay, we'll click away and you should notice that your borders are still there and you now have that fill behind those rows. So we're going to hit save. Okay, and we're getting close to being done. We just have one more little formatting section to do. Now I will say, if your formatting got messed up here, it's probably because you didn't have the whole row. I mean, if you just format painted one cell, that would create some problems, okay? Because over here you'd end up losing your border. So make sure when you do this format painter that you have the whole entire row selected. And then double click to turn it on and go over all of the cells.